Wait. Do not click buy on that iPad mini 7 in your cart. Seriously, cancel the order right now. Apple just played a massive trick on all of us. They released the iPad mini 7 with a slight bump in speed and called it a day. It was the most boring, lazy update we have seen in years. It was basically a small band-aid. But behind the scenes, massive leaks are revealing what Apple is truly working on. The highly anticipated iPad mini 8 is coming much sooner than you think, and it is bringing the biggest redesign in the history of the mini. This is the ultimate, premium, tiny powerhouse we have been begging for. However, Apple is hiding a massive flaw. They are planning a sneaky, frustrating move that might completely ruin this beautiful device. If you care about your money, you need to hear this before making any tablet decisions. Let us start with the most exciting upgrade, the display. For years, we have been stuck with the exact same screen. Now, Apple is finally ditching the old 8.3-inch display. The new iPad mini 8 will feature a stunning 8.7-inch screen. You might be worried that a bigger screen means a bulky, heavy tablet that no longer fits in one hand. Do not worry at all. The physical footprint of the tablet will not change one bit. Your old cases and small bags will still fit perfectly. Apple is achieving this by finally cutting down those ugly, outdated, thick black borders. We are getting a sleek, modern, edge-to-edge look that feels incredibly premium. But the magic goes much deeper than just the screen size. We are finally getting an OLED display on the iPad mini. This is a total game changer. If you have an OLED iPhone, you know exactly what I mean. OLED means the pixels actually turn off when showing black colors. You get perfect deep blacks, infinite contrast, and vibrant colors that literally pop off the glass. Watching Netflix in bed or reading digital comics in the dark will look absolutely flawless. It will also save massive amounts of battery life when you use dark mode. But right after this amazing news comes a massive letdown. Apple is refusing to give the iPad mini 8 promotion technology. Yes, you heard me correctly. This brand new, expensive tablet in 2026 will be stuck at a basic 60 Hz refresh rate. There will be no buttery smooth 120 Hz scrolling. In today's tech world, this feels like a total slap in the face. Even cheap budget Android tablets have fast refresh rates now. A 60 Hz screen is not terrible for reading a static page, but once you experience 120 Hz on your phone, going back is painful. Swiping through apps and scrolling on websites will feel laggy, cheap, and stuttery. Apple is clearly doing this to force people to buy their super expensive iPad Pro models. It is a greedy move, and it is deeply frustrating for loyal mini fans. Now, let us talk about the insane power hiding inside this little machine. Under the hood, the iPad mini 8 is going to be an absolute monster. Leaks confirm it will feature the brand new A19 Pro chip. This is the exact same supercomputer brain that Apple is putting inside the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. The speed will be mind-blowing. It will handle the newest Apple Intelligence AI features instantly. The battery life will be fantastic because the chip is incredibly efficient. You will be able to play the heaviest console-level games with zero lag. But let us take a step back and look at reality. Are you really going to edit massive Hollywood 4K movies on an 8-inch screen? Probably not. Most of us use the mini for reading books, taking quick notes in class, and watching YouTube videos on the couch. The current older models already handle those tasks perfectly. So, while having a massive power boost is cool on paper, you might not even notice it in your everyday life. While Apple is busy stuffing a supercomputer into this tablet, they are completely ignoring the basic things we actually need them to fix. First, we desperately need Face ID. Fumbling with a tiny Touch ID button on the side is annoying. If your finger is slightly wet or messy, it fails. Face ID is much faster, more secure, and feels like a true premium feature. You just look at the tablet and it unlocks instantly. Second, we need much faster USB-C transfer speeds. Moving big video files or backing up data takes way too long on the current basic port. A faster connection would make this the ultimate tool for photographers and creative workers on the go. Finally, we have to talk about the elephant in the room. The price tag could ruin everything. Rumors strongly suggest Apple is going to raise the price by $50 to $100. The current model sits at a comfortable $499. If they push the iPad mini 8 up to $599, it becomes a very tough sell. At that high price point, you are dangerously close to the bigger iPad Air. The Air gives you a massive screen and a laptop-grade M-series chip. If Apple wants to charge us nearly $600 for a tiny tablet, they absolutely must include a 120Hz display. Without it, the price bump feels like a total scam. In my honest opinion, the iPad mini remains the purest tablet Apple makes today. It knows exactly what it is. It does not try to be a laptop replacement. You do not need a heavy keyboard for it. It is simply the perfect companion for reading, sketching ideas, and traveling light. Getting a beautiful new edge-to-edge OLED screen and the crazy fast A19 Pro chip turns it into a tiny powerhouse. But launching a high-end tablet in 2026 without a smooth 120Hz display is a massive missed opportunity. Slapping a higher price tag on top makes that missing feature hurt even more. The iPad mini 8 will undoubtedly be a fantastic, beautiful tablet, but it will sadly fall short of being the true pro device we all dream of. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.